Hi everyone, welcome to Digi Section. Today I will be helping you out how to make Excel to speak out the cell values. For this, I've already taken some Excel file which consists some data. So it's a dummy data what I have taken. In case if I want to cross verify with a hard copy or if I want to make the cells value whatever is there to spoken out. So at that point of time, what is the ribbon or what is the option you can use in Excel? There's no any feature or any of the ribbon in any of the tabs you can see as such which makes Excel to speak out the cells value whatever is present. So for this, to make the cells value to be spoken, you can follow the steps what will be shown by me. The first step goes like this. Go to the File tab and click on Options. So you'll get a dialog box popped up where in that you will be selecting the option called Quick Access Toolbar. So as soon as you select a Quick Access Toolbar, the menu pops up as a different screen. So in this, choose command from, you should be choosing the option called All Commands. You can see before this popular commands, the scroll bar is very big. So in case as soon as you choose all commands, you can see the scroll bar decreases so that n number of features is now available for you. In this, I'll click on any one option and type the alphabet yes, so that you can see from S it has been started. I'll scroll down a bit, so you will get an option called Speak Cells. So after you scroll down a bit, as you can see now, I have an option called Speak Cells. So I'll click on that. Now I want all the features of Speak Cell. So how it works will be explained. So on the first option, which is called Speak Cells, you click on that and click on Add for 5 times so that all the option of Speak Cell will come in the Quick Access toolbar. So I'll click on Add for 5 times, once, twice, thrice, and the 4th time, last 5th time. So now you can see Speak Cells or Enter was the last option. All the Speak Cell option is available now in Quick Access toolbar. So after this, just give OK. So now you can see in the Quick Access toolbar, you have all the Speak Cell features, whatever has been added by you. So now let us see how it will work. For example, in case if I want the loan amount cell range what I have selected to be spoken out, so I'll select the range and go to the first option which is called Speak Cell and left click on it.
Loan amount 100,000, 150,000, 200,000, 250,000.
So like as you saw, it keeps on start speaking whatever the cell values has been there. So now there is one more option where you can utilize it, whether you have to make the cells to be spoken row wise or column wise. So for that, you have to first select the range, and here you will be having an option whether it has to be in column wise or it has to be in the row wise. So first the option which I have selected is column wise, and now I'll go and click on Speak Cells.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So as you can see,
6,
it starts peeking out
7,
as column wise.
8,
so as soon as the last
9,
cell is done, it will again
10,
move to the next
Jayanth,
row.
Prakash, Puneeth.
So now the same way, in case if I want it as row wise, so I'll click on the row wise option and then click on Speak Cells.
1, Jayanth, 100,000, 6.5%.
So now it goes on like
Prakash,
speaking out with row wise.
150,000.
So there's one more feature in this.
7%.
What is that is, as you can see the last option, that is called Speak Cells on Enter. So some point of time you have been given a hard copy where whatever you type and press enter, the cell value will be spoken out, which makes your job easy when you're typing. Actually, few people are very good at typing. So for example, I'll type some random number and just press enter, then it will speak out. Now if I press enter, it's not speaking because I have not on that. So now I'll delete that and click on the option called Speak Cells on Enter.
Cells will now be spoken on Enter.
So it just mentioned that So I'll just type some dummy number and press enter.
123912312.
So
123,456.
So like this, whatever value you type and enter, so it starts spelling out. So this is how you can use the speak cells option efficiently or effectively. So thank you all. See you once again.